So today is August 11th and we got a Asian pear here.
First, I will take a bite.
Okay, you will, but let's talk about what pear it is, okay? So it's called Tennosui. This was a pear found in Tennessee, and it looked like a Hosui, which is a Asian pear. So it's named Tennosui. So Long, why don't you take a bite and tell mommy what you think?
I will take a ginormous bite.
Okay. Don't break your teeth now. Your teeth is growing in. It might fall out.
I actually took a bite of the skin.
How's it going for you? What do you think?
It tastes like that roof.
You haven't eaten a root before. So basically you like it, or thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs sideways.
Means good or bad? I don't understand.
Good bad.
What do you mean good bad? You mean it's okay only?
Good bad means good bad.
No, you mean like you 1 to 10. 10 you like it, you really love it, or like 5 is like okay, or 1 means you hate it. What do you think?
0.
You hate it?
No, 0 means 10.
What?
0 means 10.
Okay, you're confusing me. Okay, is it sweet?
Because after 1 is 0.
No.
1.
It's 0 then 1. Okay.
10. I mean 1.
You're confusing me. Okay.
I mean 3.
Long.
3.
Okay, give me a bite.
Fine. Yeah.
No. Let me try.
Take a tiny bite. That was too big. Give me. I want another bite. I want another bite.
Here we go. Sorry, I have to chew it so I can speak properly. So it has a thick skin, but not as thick as some.
You can have the rest.
Oh, thank you. Can you hold it for Mama? But not as thick as some.
How about you hold it here?
Okay, but it's not as thick as some brown skin Asian pear.
Whoa.
Hold on.
Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa.
Hold on. It's very juicy, refreshing.
I'm going to go in the house.
Okay. Very firm, and this one is mildly sweet. So
I'm going to go in Noah's house.
Okay. So I figure if it was on the tree a little longer, it would be a little sweeter. But it won't be as sweet as other Asian pears. You know, the yellow skin one. I feel like, you know, in that sense. So for me, this is I don't think this is a hybrid, because it doesn't remind me of any European pear. It just it's the Asian pear, definitely. It's just different than the other Asian pears I had, so which is nice. I'm curious to see how disease resistant this variety is. So far I really like it. Let's see how next year does. With the size, the fruit will improve once the tree goes in ground. It's potted for now, so I hope you enjoy this quick review.